Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files wirelessly on Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here you can see I am using two phones. The first one, this is an Android mobile phone, Redmi mobile phone. So this is a Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. I am going to transfer some files from this Redmi mobile phone to Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. First, in this Redmi mobile phone, let me open gallery. Then select one file to transfer. Let me select this image. Then tap on send. Tap on quick share. Tap here. See, it's looking for nearby devices. Then in this Samsung Galaxy mobile phone, from top swipe down, again swipe down, then tap on quick share, then tap on everyone, then tap on done. You can see this phone has detected this Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Tap on this phone name. Then in this Samsung Galaxy phone, we have to tap on accept. Tap on accept. See, file has transferred. We can open it. See, this way we can transfer files. So we can also go to settings, then search for quick share settings, and here also we can change it non-contact only or everyone. Okay, so please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.